So if you still support old RS-232 devices, serial ports that look just like this guy, have the 9 pins. So if you're supporting old dongles, data loggers, dongles, old Cisco switches, network switches that still have this kind of port on it, you know, it's pretty hard to do that without an adapter, because pretty much no laptop comes with that anymore, so you're gonna need some kind of adapter. And DriverGenius has the USB to RS-232 adapter cable, and this is a USB-C adapter cable, so really cool. So this is really for a truly modern computer, a modern laptop, to connect to those devices. I'm gonna show you what you're gonna get in the box. And you're getting a nice little manual. And it's basically just going to give you some features on it and some download links to some drivers. So in case for some reason you don't have a driver for this, I did test this on Windows 10, 11, and it was literally plug and play. But if you have a weird operating system, old operating system, you may have to download drivers, and there's a little link on here for that. And you're going to get the cable. And you can see here's the DriverGenius cable. And what I like about this guy, you can see here, there's actually 9 little blue LEDs. I'll plug this in, you can see some of them light up. And each one correlates to a pin. So there's 9 pins, 9 lights. And what's nice about that is that if you have one that does not have lights and you plug it into a device and it's not working, you don't know, is it the cable, is it the device, is it not the driver, is it the terminal program I'm using? But if they're lit up, you probably know you got connectivity and that device is responding. So helps you with troubleshooting, that kind of thing. And of course, the other end is USB-C, and this is the part that's going to your desktop or your laptop. And what's nice about USB-C, there is no top or bottom, so you can just plug this in any way you want. And it does come with about a 3-foot cable, so a nice little cable. And what's nice about that, instead of you just got like a little short, a little stubby adapter, you're going to provide your own cable. Usually when you're out in the field, you're going to plug this into your device and be maybe a couple feet away from it. And so this is going to be really handy to have, you know, a little bit of a nice little 3-foot cable, so you can do that. So kind of cool to have that already built in versus providing your own cable and your own dongle. And all in all, I'm liking this a lot. I'm just going to hook this up with putty, so you can do any terminal program you want. Term, putty, I just like putty. And we'll hook up the data logger. I'll just show you some of the pins working, I'll show you the lights working. So all in all, nice little device. So let's plug it in, check it out. So we're going to plug this into the laptop. Plug it into the C port, USB-C. You can see when I plug it in, it's going to detect it. You see where I got a couple little flashing lights, and those should go out in a second. There we go. I'm going to plug it into the data logger, just like that. And you see where I got a pin lit up there. And this is actually, I got this on COM3. But I'm going to make a connection, and you're going to see some more lights light up here. There you go. So you can see we got 3 pins lit up. And if I hit return in putty, you should see this guy flash. I'm just hitting enter on here, so you're just going to see a single flashes there. But what I really like about this guy, and I never had this before, is LED indicators, which is really nice because you don't know, is this device really working? Am I really connected to it? Well, if you see these pins lit up, of course, every device could be a little bit different, but you see pins lit up, you know you got a connection to it. So really, really nice, really, really simple. And there you go. That's the DriverGenius USB to RS-232 adapter cable. I like this guy a lot. I really like that fact that it has lights for each pin, so you can tell if your data is transmitting or receiving, or which pins are actually working. Nice feature to have versus just plugging in a standard cable and not knowing, am I talking to the device? Is the device responding? This is definitely going to let you know. And of course, the modern USB-C. So if you got a modern laptop, definitely the way to go. And all in all, a great adapter, great price. Check it out. If you need one of these, this is the one to get.